Hey, this is Winter with AEvent, and in this brief tutorial, we're going to walk through creating a Zoom recurring meeting. Everything we cover here can be done the same with Zoom webinars, and we're then going to attach AEvent to a couple different of those webinars. Use case here. Let's say you're a coach or a consultant. Let's say you have a weekly group call. And let's say one of these upcoming group calls, you fall ill or you're unable to attend. Well, AEvent can log into your Zoom account and replay your video as if you're live. Another use case, maybe you have a recurring Zoom event and you want to have AEvent sign in and play a couple events worth. Maybe it's not just one. Maybe it's not a weekly event. Maybe it's a 5-day challenge that's a recurring Zoom event. This is how you'd go about that. So first off, I'm in Zoom here. I'm going to do this with meetings. Again, this works with webinars the same way. So I'm going to label this tutorial. Let's have this start out next Tuesday. We could say it's going to run at 3 p.m. We could say it's an hour long, and we want this to recur. We want this to happen daily, and let's say we want this to recur for 5 instances. Most folks coming in using this tool, I know this is already going to be all set up. Now, even if this is set up previously, these steps are important for AEvent to be able to log in and fully automate the webinar. Missing some of these steps may cause AEvent to be unable to allow people in if there's a waiting room created, or registration. If registration is not required, it affects some of the things there as far as showing these events later in the tutorial. So I'm going to click on registration required. I already have passcode. That is the selection needed. Waiting room, I'm not going to select. Require authentication to join, not going to select. I'm going to leave the video host on and participant voice off. So I'm going to hit save here. Now back in AEvent, I've created one recurring attached timeline. I'm going to walk through and create another one. So I'm going to create timeline. I'm going to select evergreen webinar. I'm going to select just a single evergreen webinar. We don't need any encores in this example. And I'm going to say attach recurring to. This is just more or less a placeholder. I'm going to select the Zoom integration I'm creating this with. We'll hit confirm. Now inside AEvent, since I selected a template and I selected Zoom, we will see that it has automatically created different call to actions already. Those can be deleted if you don't wish to use those. You can also customize those. So we see here at 5 minutes, welcome to the event, everyone. So glad you made it, right? So go in here and customize that. That message is going to be sent from the presenter, our automated computer, 5 minutes into it. And here's another example, 30 minutes into it, right? We can click on the day here, we can view all of those. So to attach this timeline and recurring one timeline, the last thing we need to do is we need to go in, we need to tell it a title. This is just placeholder. This isn't being used because this is already scheduled within Zoom. And then I'm going to, most importantly, select the video, right? So I'm here, we'll just pick one of these guys here. I'm going to hit update there. So I'm at attached recurring 2. We'll go in and review what I've done for 1 already. And we see here at recurring attach 1, I have the same placeholders. Again, this is just needed by the system. This isn't being used with Zoom or anything for this example because we're attaching to a recurring Zoom event. And then I have the video created. So again, back within Zoom, we created these events. So within AEvent, now that we have 2 timelines created, we're going to walk through attaching these 2 timelines to 2 of those 5 events. So I'm going to click on Dashboard. I'm going to click on Schedule an Event. Then I'm going to select the timeline recurring attach 1. I'm going to select the integration I'm working with. We did schedule it as a meeting. I'm going to click on Attach Timeline. So AEvent has now queried my Zoom account and it's listing all my upcoming meetings. We see these 5, this recurring series of 5. So I'm going to select December 19th, the first one. I'm going to click on Attach Timeline. Once the timeline is attached, then we can just click on Schedule Event. So this is actually just going to create the job with AEvent. So AEvent can log in and host your webinar, your recurring meeting for you. And back here in the upcoming schedule, I can see that event as being scheduled. I can see the recurring attach 1 is going to host that. So let's go in and attach this second timeline. And for this example, let's just attach to the last event of this 5 series of events. So I'm going to select attach to, I'm going to select the same Zoom integration. I'm then going to click on attach timeline once that shows up. And I'm going to select December 23rd. For this one. That's the final one. I'm going to click on attach timeline. Then I'll click on schedule event. Once that is fully scheduled, we can see it under success. And with that, AEvent would now be hosting the first event and the last event. But this is how you can attach multiple different presentations to a recurring event within AEvent. That's the end of this tutorial. Cheers.